Hi there everybody, and we're going to do day 13 today, obviously. So we shall just, do you know, I thought this one was going to be a bit easier because it's tissue paper, but it's ganging up on me. Ooh, I can see some definite pastel goodness in this one. Oh, it's like a little ice cream. You can just imagine that, can't you, sat on the top of a beautiful ice cream in the summer. Anyway, wow, look at these colours. They are absolutely beautiful. Oh, I might even say I've got a new favourite, but then they're all my favourite. I love them. So colours in this one are incredible. Yeah, this is definitely actually my new favourite. We've got really soft, beautiful pastel shades in this one, and the colour distribution on this is just amazing. Look at the colours twisting through there. It looks almost good enough to eat, I think. It's like a giant marshmallow or something. Big flump. So colours, we've got all of them. We've got beautiful soft pinks, we've got the blues, we've got purples, yellow, green, and then we've got this nice peach part as well. Sorry, you can hear the dog click-clacking with her claws on the floor. So we've got all these. Would you stop already? Honestly. We've got all of these. Oh, do you know what? This is definitely a new favourite for me. I just think the colours in this one are absolutely just amazing. I'm really sorry she's trotting around. Well, not trotting, but she's messing around on her bed now and making loads of noise. So yeah, absolutely incredible colours in this one. Absolutely amazing. I'm just going to zoom out. Oop. There we go. I'm going to zoom out just a fraction, and I'm going to bring back my basket, which is what I have been putting all of my daily yarn into. So I have my little collection here, which has been growing nicely. So it's, yeah, they're all the ones we've had so far. But I definitely think just the colours and the distribution of the colours on this one is just mind-blowing. I absolutely love it. So sorry, I've totally gone on about this one, but I just think I mean, they've all been beautiful, but this one, the colours in it have just not taken me by surprise as such, but yeah, just felt like they needed an extra little bit of time to talk about because they are so pretty. I'm just hoping that they're showing up nicely on the camera. So there you go. I will see you, I'm not sure when, because obviously we're weekending now, so I'm not sure whether I will have a normal tutorial or what. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, either way, we will catch up with Advent at some point. But I will see you soon.